This is a great time to show you how to export just this part of the video so you can hear and see what it sounds like. What you want to do is bring the timeline to the end and right-click on the numbers up here and then click on Mark Out. You'll see this white highlight here. This is a source in and a source out, and you'll be doing this a lot if you're working in Premiere Pro. You'll be able to just export this part without anything else after that. Very convenient, right? If you just wanted to do this part over here, you would click here and do a mark in and then drag the timeline to the end and then right click and mark out. So you do that little spot right there. If you have it already going, you can click on this and drag it all the way to the beginning and then click on this part and drag it to the end here. All right, let's export. Go to the top and click on export. Now your file name, let's select the name up here and delete it. And let's write our own name. We're going to write paths or whatever your project is going to be called. .mp4. When you submit a file for this class, you're going to be submitting an MP4. You're not going to be submitting the Premiere Pro file. Do not, I repeat, do not submit a Premiere Pro file. All of these other files will have to be with this file for me to see this file correctly. But I don't want to see all of these files. I just want to see your finished piece, the MP4. So keep that in mind for every project that you're going to submit. Now the location, click on that and click on desktop and click save. You can save it to your desktop and then you can move it to a folder after that. Preset, match source, that's fine. Format is H.264, that's fine. You want to keep these that way until you have an instructor that tells you differently. Now, this is the part right here that's really important, the source in and out. If you have entire source selected, that will export everything here, dismissing this in and out area. So you want to make sure that you have the source in and out selected, and then press export. So it's going to take a little while. It's going to export. You can see it up here. Oh, I forgot to rechange the name again. It went back to its old name, but we can fix that once it's exported.